When trouble comes, you'll be holding on. You won't give up, you'll be shining through. And the moment you surrender, He'll be there taking care of you. He'll never let us down. On that we are assured. So when the storm has gathered, He's